For our project, we wanted to explore the idea of optical illusions. This topic was a big debate in social media a few years ago. We chose to focus on the dress, where people either see gold and white or black and blue. We collected evidence by interviewing a random sample of people, which included students and teachers.
An optical illusion is something that tricks your eyes and makes you think you are seeing something that is not really there, or you see it differently from how it is.
The dress trend came to be when Caitlin McNeil, a singer from a Scottish island, shared the post on social media. The dress was worn by her friend's mother at a wedding. The friend received a picture of the dress, showed it to her fiancé, and they disagreed on the color of the dress. She then posted it to Facebook and then to Tumblr, where the illusion started its world fame. It sparked a national debate about what color the dress actually was. Most people say either black and blue or white and gold.
At its peak, the hashtag The Dress was being tweeted more than 11,000 times a minute. Within a week, more than 10 million tweets had mentioned the dress. As a result, members of the scientific community began to investigate the photo for new insights into human color vision.
What color is the dress?
Blue.
And?
Black and blue.
Okay, thank you.
Is that gold and white?
It's gold and white.
The dress.
Black and blue?
Blue and black.
Black and blue. Black and blue. Easily black and blue.
What color is the dress?
Blue and black.
Blue. Blue and black, yeah.
Blue.
And?
Black.
Yes.
Blue and black.
Gracie.
White and gold.
Dress.
White and gold.
Blue and black. What color is the dress?
Blue and black.
Blue and black. Blue and black.
Yes. Blue and black.
Oh, blue and green.
Okay.
I see gold.
What color is the dress?
I see gold right now.
Thank you.
Black and blue.
Dress.
Gold and blue.
What color is the dress?
Black and blue. Black and blue.
Thank you.
It is blue and green.
It is. What do you
It's
see?
black and blue.
What color do you see on the dress?
White and gold.
White and gold.
This is blue and black.
What color is this dress?
Oh, it's blue and black.
What color do I see? I see gold and white.
Black and blue?
What color is the dress?
Black and blue.
It is absolutely gold and white.
This dress.
The dress is black and blue.
The dress is black and blue.
It's white and gold.
That looks blue and black.
I'm going with blue and black.
Hey, what color is this dress?
I see blue and black.
Yeah, blue and black.
Color is blue and black.
Black and blue.
Black and blue.
Please tell me what color this dress is.
Black and blue.
White gold.
Thank you. After talking to both students and staff members, we had a total of 52 responses, including our own. Black and blue came in first place with 36 responses. We then had 12 responses for white and gold and 2 responses for both blue, gold, and other. The percentages come out to be 69% blue, black, 23% white, gold, and 4% blue, gold, and other. The response we received for other was blue and green. Throughout our research, we found one source that said that older people tend to see more of white and gold. But looking at our responses from staff members, we could not conclude this theory to be factual. We collected a total of 10 responses from staff members, and only 4 of them said that the dress was white and gold. This counters what the study said, but obviously our data collected is on a much smaller scale than it would have been in the research study. Additionally, it is said that gender can have an impact on the color we perceive. According to research published on the Current Biology website, women are more likely to see white and gold. Of the 26 responses we received from women, only 23% of them saw white and gold. This furthermore disagrees with their research.
When we interviewed a random sample of students and staff, we asked them what color they saw. In our data debrief, we saw that the percentages came out to be 69% for blue and black, 23% for white and gold, and 4% for blue, gold, and other. However, when the study was conducted on a much wider scale, we used that research and compared it with ours. Since there were a lot more people involved in the research conducted by the university, we saw that instead of the blue and black dress being the majority, the white and gold had the majority votes with almost 60%, and the blue and black dress had the least with only 9% of the votes. When the study was rerun again as a replication, it was found that the numbers were very similar, almost the same, and when we mean the replication was done, the same question was asked, just with a different group of people. The proportions were the same, with maybe 1% or 2% off. However, when we came to the realization that if we were to rerun the dress questionnaire again, we would also get the same proportions with maybe a few shifts, but overall, the predictions of which color would win would stay relatively consistent with that much variation.
I pick eye care. A clinic located in New York says, whereas the eye captures light, it's actually the brain that creates the image. After the retina sees the light, it is transformed into electrical signals that are sent to the brain via the optic nerve. The brain takes this electrical information and interprets it. It bases its interpretation on what it assumes about the context. This is where the assumption about the light of the picture comes into play. So basically, one reason we see different colors is because of the assumptions that the brain makes to fill in the gaps of knowledge in the picture. Since we are seeing the photo of the dress and not the actual thing in person, we have to make assumptions about the lighting of the photo. People will all make different assumptions based on the things they have encountered in the past. So therefore, we have different guesses of what the color of the dress is.
Perception is subjective. We don't all see the same color blue as the same shade of blue someone else does, but the light has a huge impact on it, and the things that are around it have a huge impact. If I may direct the attention of the camera over here.
Yes.
This, where if you're looking, this looks brown, this looks orange. I think everyone would agree. Okay. If you cover up what's near it, you'll see that they are exactly the same.
Ooh.
You're going to need a new phone because I think I just blew your mind.
Going hand in hand with AP Psychology teacher Mr. Davis's professional analysis, we observed that perception plays a key role in how we perceive different colors on the dress. These differences come from the hypothesis of color perception. This is where the brain makes an assumption about the illumination of the garment so that it will appear the same under different lighting, a property known as color constancy.
People who saw the dress as a white gold color had a perception that was heavily influenced by the daylight, so their brains ignored shorter, bluer wavelengths and saw the white gold color. Those who saw it as a blue-black shade assumed a warm artificial light, so their brains ignored longer, redder wavelengths, so they couldn't see the white and gold.
However, artificial light tends to be yellowish, so if we see it brightened in this fashion, we factor out this color, leaving us with the dress that we see as a black and blue. The perception of the dress isn't dependent on simply the angle or the retina of someone's eye. It is a play or shadows along with light play.
New York University neuroscientist Pascal Walsh says the original image was overexposed, rendering the illumination source uncertain. As a result, we make assumptions about how the dress was illuminated, which affects the colors we see. These beliefs about whether or not the dress was in a shadow strongly affected the perceptual experience of the dress. Among those who saw it in a shadow, 4 out of 5 participants believed it to be white and gold.
When we asked a random sample of volunteers, we understood that none of their perspectives were wrong. It was just the way our brains see the image. Although it was fun starting some arguments among peers, we know that neither perspective was incorrect.
Research in all our data has proven that the main reason for the varied responses is the perception of the color of the dress is dependent on how we perceive it in our brains.
We can use a small example of different perspectives and apply it to the real world. Just because different people have different perspectives, it doesn't mean that someone is wrong. By collaborating with others, we can make new insights we might not have known before.
Just like with the dress, the international debate on what color the dress actually was caused many scientists and researchers to look further into colors, perception, and why we see different things.
And by the way, the creator of the dress came forward and said that the dress was originally black and blue.
But don't go around assuming you're colorblind or let people accuse you of being colorblind like Simran Delaney. It's all in our perception.
So the next time you and a friend have a disagreement on what shade a certain color is, know that it's your brains and your unconscious making you have different opinions. Thank you.